How to transfer specific video to Backblaze V2 on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific video to Backblaze V2 on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and now just wait. Go scroll down again until you find transfer copy of your information. Click on it and now click next. And go down. Here you will find Backblaze V2. Click on it and click specific video and select it. Now click next and next and enter your Backblaze V2 account. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.